What's up? It's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. First, let me say thank you to my subscribers and my followers, my Perfect Touch Auto Glass icons, I guess. But anyway, moving along. For all you technicians out there in the world who get up every morning and go out there and do your best, big kudos and big thumbs ups to you. But other than that, let's get into life. Is it good for you? Are you having problems at home? Are you not being satisfied in areas where the sun don't shine? That is not none of my business or my listeners' business. But on the other note, I hope you're getting that taken care of because it could affect your work performance. If you're an auto glass technician and you got a blade in your hand and you feeling a certain type of way, we talking about a lot of errors, and I'm not talking about baseball. But other than that, moving on in life, and we love what we're doing. We love what we're doing because I got it on video and I'm showing it to the world for all to see. So evidently, I love what I do. I must be the greatest in the world, Craig. In the world. What you talking about, Willie? I'm talking about this Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Yeah, I'ma say it again. I'm talking about this Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Man, I can't emphasize the greatness of this company and the vision of the owner. You couldn't phantom the vision of Swabby Dobby and Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Only thing you know is that they're moving forward, and it would behoove you to join the gravy train. Choo choo! All aboard to all of those who want to be great in life or are great in life and want to be better. Is that you? Now, subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and follow your boy because we're moving along into the future. Wesley Snipes? Did someone say Wesley Pipes? Anyway, on another note, moving along, professionalism always is key. But for some strange reason, I couldn't say it was for me. Because I'm always outside the box. Standard folk, standard technicians, they're all up in the box. Never been the one to be up in the box. I'm a superstar. I'm the greatest. I'm Swabby Dobby, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. But on another note, if you got ashy, dry, scaly skin, sunburn, and all that other crazy stuff, get yourself some Mother Butter. Therapeutic moisturizing butter by Mother Butter. It's better than the Mother Butter.